Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to enable Viber in calls on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Viber app. Once you're there, you just need to go to more right here and find settings. Tap on settings. Once you're here, just find for the calls and messages section, tap on it, and at the very top you will see the Viber in calls option. So it is currently set to enable, and if you want to disable it, you just need to tap on the switch button right there, and it will automatically be disabled. And for some reason that yours is not enabled or disabled, just tap on this again, and it will automatically be enabled. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.